Okay, so here we go. Beautiful bang.
Mozart, music mind composing symphonies one at a time. He was still a kid when he started to play. Great composer and a history. Great composer and a history. Thank you, thank you. Love you guys.
One, two, three, four. My name is Ludvig and be so bad, born and born. I'm never used to the music makes me whole. I beats the arrows with music beats me the soul. Yeah, yeah. Forever move on like a silly song. My heart beats strong in every melody. Fingers dance for a kiss. Each night a story is told. I pour out my soul in my symphonies. Fingers dance for a kiss. Each night a story is told. I The master of fugue is a German musician. The Barock legend Johann Sebastian. He has so many children, it's true. His music's loud and his kids too.
Variation, permutation,
flipping over every interval,
Presented to you by the Baroque drama quiz and on. Ciao, parleremo di Isabella Leonarda. She was the first woman in Europe to publish sonatas. She was known as the La Musa Novarese, Magnificats, Motets, and her sonatas, which were among the first instrumental works published by a female composer. Some of her renowned compositions are Pop Opus 13 number 3.
She was the first woman to compose opera and was also the most well-paid musician in the royal court of the Medici family in the 1620s. At the age of 39, Francesca Caccini had her second